Welcome to a home where tradition meets modern elegance. Every corner of this space tells a story, blending timeless design elements with contemporary sophistication. Through thoughtful choices in art, textiles, and furniture, this residence strikes the perfect balance between luxury and comfort. It's not just a home, it's a curated experience, offering warmth, style, and a truly inviting atmosphere. The living room exudes timeless elegance, with sage green walls, soft drapes, and tall windows flooding the space with natural light. At its heart is a white marble fireplace, topped with a vibrant floral painting and framed by a graceful crystal chandelier. Seating includes plush armchairs and sofas in muted teal, arranged for conversation and comfort. Gilded frames and patterned cushions blend antique charm with modern touches. A glass coffee table, paired with lacquered side tables adorned with orchids and curated accents, adds sophistication. A soft blue and gray rug ties the room together, balancing traditional warmth with contemporary elegance, making it a serene and inviting space for guests. The grand staircase features polished wood railings, brass accents, and soft carpeted steps, complemented by a modern metallic mobile. Herringbone flooring and soft drapery add warmth and depth, blending traditional elegance with artistic charm. Welcome to this elegant formal dining room, where modern artistry meets classic sophistication. The room is anchored by a polished wood dining table, surrounded by plush neutral chairs, and illuminated by a sleek pendant light. Steel-framed glass doors bring in natural light, while a soft rug adds warmth. This space seamlessly blends style, comfort, and artistic inspiration for an unforgettable dining experience. A bold abstract artwork in warm pink and orange tones adds energy, contrasting beautifully with the soft green walls. The ornate gilded mirror and black lacquered sideboard, adorned with gold hand-painted scenes, infuse timeless charm. This bedroom is a serene retreat with tall windows, a patterned tufted headboard, and a soft green quilt. A golden chandelier adds elegance, while a leather armchair with vibrant cushions brings warmth. The space feels calm, stylish, and perfect for relaxation. From the bedroom, the view into the bathroom reveals a seamless transition of elegance. Polished gray marble walls with dramatic veining frame a sleek white bathtub, creating a spa-like ambience. This master bathroom that viewed from bedroom exudes elegance with a freestanding white bathtub framed by veined gray marble walls. Soft beige curtains filter light, while a crystal pendant light and a minimalist side table with candles add a serene, spa-like touch. Soft decor touches, like ceramic vases and a built-in niche, enhance the refined aesthetic, blending comfort with luxury. This walk-in closet exudes elegance with its rich wood-paneled cabinetry and soft beige accents. A striking artwork of a submerged coat adds a modern touch above a sleek black console, while a glass pendant light softly illuminates the herringbone parquet flooring. This space blends functionality with artistic sophistication. This elegant living room combines warmth and sophistication, featuring an olive green velvet sofa with vibrant cushions, beige armchairs, and a whimsical oak leaf chandelier. Glass shelving with a mirrored back enhances depth, while floor-to-ceiling windows with golden curtains fill the space with light. A tufted leather ottoman anchors the room, blending comfort and timeless design. This elegant staircase landing features a bamboo-inspired banister, soft carpeted stairs, and a modern metallic mobile that adds movement. A large window framed by golden drapes reveals lush greenery, while built-in shelves and a cozy seating area enhance the space's charm and functionality. This cozy bedroom features coral-toned bedding with soft, patterned pillows and a sleek cream vanity with a sculptural lamp. A golden accented chandelier adds elegance, while tall windows framed by golden drapes fill the space with natural light, creating a serene and inviting retreat. This elegant spiral staircase features a polished wooden banister, brass accents, and soft carpeted steps. Below, vibrant zigzag upholstered chairs on chevron-patterned flooring create a cozy nook. A striking brass chandelier completes the space, making it a luxurious and inviting focal point. This modern kitchen features warm wood-paneled cabinetry, a sleek marble island with a cooktop and sink, and a rustic wooden dining table with soft pastel chairs. Natural light streams through large windows, creating an airy and inviting space for cooking and gathering. This elegant kitchen dining space features marble countertops, wood-paneled cabinetry, and a cooktop island. The dining nook includes a green tufted bench, pastel chairs, and vibrant artwork, framed by golden drapes. Large windows fill the area with natural light, creating a warm and seamless flow.